So this is a video on how to do the normal PDF calculation using a calculator or an online calculation tool. It on our document is right here where you see the normal PDF easy calculator. This is one the normal PDF calculation that you will not use real often, but there will be a couple of problems. Here's a sample problem. It's really important that you validate that you are dealing with a normal distribution, because if it's not a normal distribution, you cannot use this. And it is a certain function involving the natural exponent e, which I'm not going to show you because it's rather complicated, that produces the normal curve. And so it just uses that function and it's calculating to find the y values, which again correspond to the probability of that particular data point occurring in the normal distribution. So let's say we had this problem. The lengths of pregnancies in humans are normally distributed with a mean of 265 days and a standard deviation of 13 days. A baby is premature if it is born 19 or more days early. What is the probability of a baby being born exactly 19 days early? So what it's asking is to figure out the probability of a baby being born at 246 days exactly. And that probability is actually going to be pretty low. Where you're going to go on the calculator is where it says DISTR right here behind the vars key. So you're going to go second vars, and up will come the two that we're going to use. So this is a normal PDF. And what you're going to do, notice that I put 265 minus 19. You're going to put the exact x value in. You're going to put the mean, that's that crazy looking U there, 265, and then the standard deviation, which is that crazy looking Greek letter, sigma, I think it is. Anyway, then you're going to go paste, and it'll paste it. So some calculators you have to actually do it this way. Up will come that, and you enter these values in, as you see here. And it will generate the probability, which I told you would be very low because there's a lot of values, including decimal values, that can be attained in this normal curve, and actually an infinite number of them. So 0.01, or about 1%, is the probability. And you can see that that's, that question in and of itself isn't real valuable. What's more valuable is when you have a range given. So what about the percent chance of a child being born 246 days or less? And that's where I'm going to get to in the next video. If you need to go online, you can go to this easy calculator tool, probability density function, and you're going to put in the x value, 246, the mean, 265, and then the standard deviation, which is 13. And then it will show the percent. And you'll have to, there's not a clear button, so you'll actually have to just go with the refresh button up there, and then it'll clear everything out. That's how you can use the normal PDF tool. Again, we will not be using this tool very much, and it's the normal CDF that we'll be using a lot of.